Hello students, so now we are going to begin with the next poem of your syllabus, and the name of the poem is A Lark. A lark is the name of a bird. You can see the picture clearly in front of you. In this poem, we are going to see that a small child is having a conversation with a bird and a goldfish. Now, what does the child want to convey? What does he want to ask to this bird and to the goldfish? Let's see the poem. The poet asks the lark bird, which soars high in the sky, whether it is tired. The poet, the small child, is asking the bird whether it is not getting tired flying high in the sky. He also asks, वो और भी पूछता है कि if it doesn't find the clouds very boring in the empty sky, because you've seen that the clouds are so empty, right, and they are so big. So it is asking, the child is asking the bird whether you don't get bored while looking at the clouds which are so empty. The poet also wonders if it doesn't sometimes wish to be a silent goldfish in the sea. So now the child is also asking the bird that, do you ever wish? He's asking the bird, do you ever wish to become a fish and dive in the ocean or in the water? So now let's see what the poet asks to the goldfish. The poet then asks the goldfish, diving deep in the sky, if it never sad. Now the poet is asking the fish whether if it is never sad and whether it is really happy when it feels the cold waves creeping towards it. We have seen that the waves come so slowly towards us, right? They sometimes come very silently nearby us, creeping nearby us. So the poet is asking the goldfish, how do you feel? Do you really feel very happy when the cold waves are coming nearby you? How do you feel exactly? Children, we all know in our childhood, as a child, we ask so many questions. Why do we ask so many questions? Because we are curious. We want to learn new things, right? So, in the same way, this child is curious to understand how the bird is feeling and how the goldfish feels. So now, as it is asking, how do you feel? Do you feel happy? Do you feel sad? Do you feel excited? Do you feel anger? What do you exactly feel when the cold waves are creeping nearby you? And in the end, the poet wonders if the goldfish doesn't sometimes long to sing and be like a lark bird in the flight. Now, in the beginning, in the first stanza, asking about talking to a bird, having conversation with the bird, he was thinking that do you ever wish, he is asking the bird, do you ever wish to dive in the ocean and swim like a fish? Now, in the end, he is asking the bird, do you ever wish to fly in the sky and sing like the birds? Now, let's move towards the meaning sessions, the glossary session of our poem. We need to understand each and every meaning of the lyrics or the words which are used in the poem to understand the poem better. Okay, so the first word is given as soaring. Soaring means flying or rising high in the sky. Very means the feeling of expression or tiredness. Dreary means dull or boring, something which depresses you, makes you sad. Long to means badly wish to do something. You wish to do something like going to a garden now, right? Everything is in lockdown and you're long to go to visit a garden. Creep, moving slowly and quietly. Now let's read the poem. Repeat behind me. Lark bird soaring high, are you never weary? When you reach the empty sky, are the clouds not dreary? Don't you sometimes long to be a silent goldfish in the sea? Goldfish diving deep, are you never sad, say? When you feel the cold waves creep, are you really glad, say? Don't you sometimes long to sing and be a lark bird on the wing? So students, this is the meaning of the poem A Lark Bird. I hope you all have understood the video, and do write the meanings of all the words in your notebook once, and write the difficult words or the new words in your notebook 5 times each. Understand the poem well. If you have any doubt, do ask me. And write down the question answers which are given below the textbook in your notebook. If you don't find any answer, you can ask me. Thank you.